I worked with East Adelaide Primary School and we worked on 2 different projects. So the phase 1 involved a STEM lab, so it was an innovative STEM lab. So that was a really good idea for us because we thought, let's ask students to design something what they think should be a floor planner for their innovative space and ask them to print, 3D print their choice of design furniture that goes in there that they feel connected to. These are some of the samples of work that you can see. So for the livability project, the students were asked to, through the virtual reality cameras, go anywhere. So they used actually 3 different apps for that. It was cardboard and expeditions. They would go anywhere and compare the livability, and then they have been asked to come back and wherever in Adelaide they think that there is an intersection or a suburb or a parking lot needs an improvement according to you, what could that be? And then you design it. And that just kind of tells us, you can see that on left-hand side, it shows us the actual plan from the Google Maps, and the other side is what they have designed, and they have justified why they have made those changes. But I would want to talk about learning curves. So initially, when we were working on 3D printing, we had a bigger teams of students, like maybe few groups with 5 to 6 students or 4 to 5 students. The students were randomly chosen by us, who we would think that they would work better, and we put them together. There was lack of communication between the primary school teachers and us, and between the primary school students and our students. So it was difficult for them to collaborate off-site. And then, as a regular teacher of maths and science, you step into the area of a STEM teacher, and that was just like involving ourselves into upskilling ourselves as well. So, and the fear of unknown, like nobody knew how is it going to be at the end of the expo. So that was also there in phase 1. However, in phase 2, you can see the list has grown bigger, so it means that we have learned a lot. The teams were made smaller, and then they were based on the strengths and weaknesses of the students. What are their strengths? Each student has an allocated role, so that it's not a teamwork, but now it's more collaborative work. How are they going to contribute to the team? We use the Google Classroom and the Google Drive for the shared documents as a collaboration medium. We also use Skype. We used Zoom sessions, to have a face-to-face conversations as well. Structured planning lessons and team teaching was the key learning curve, like how to team teach and do we need any planning to do in that. And the students at the end of that recorded their presentation using the 360 cameras in their livability. So they had their planning, they had to make that 3D model of their project plan, and then they have to present it to the judges panel, I can say, and record it with the 360 cameras. Definitely, a learning curve has been the confidence in delivering STEM content. Now we are in phase 3, and there is no pressure on as it was in phase 1 because we feel more confident. It's more open-ended now, and you can see that in phase 3, it's different from phase 1 and phase 2, and we are continuing to keep on learning. Thank you so much.